Uh, I'm going to come to that. I'm going to come to that. Well, this Department of Anatomy has two unique features. Number one, this hall, which is more recognized as Munnabai Hall rather than Anat Hall. And second unique feature of the department is genetic division. And genetic division essentially means genetics has two terms, dominant and recessive. So when I said, ladies and gentlemen, you know that. What I would advise today to all of you is deduct 25 years from your current age and turn to be boys and girls. Once again, connotation of the word dominant and recessive remains the same. So I would address you now as boys and girls or my dear students. Because you are my students, I am a teacher. My very existence as a teacher depends on you. And thank you for being my students. Thanks a lot. Wish you all the best for your entire 2 days reunion. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you, Dr. Gangne.
I would now request Datta and Anita to come and felicitate my beloved friend, philosopher and guide, Makwana. Datta and Anita. Anita, yeah, come down. Shawl. Mac few words. बनता है बनता है no Mac.
The only thing I can talk is about physiology. But I don't think that is the right time. You all are in a mood of enjoyment. I just want to say that yours is the first batch. When I taken admission in 91 February, you are the first batch. So you all will always remain a very special batch to me. I'm very happy to see all of you over here, and I'm wishing you all the very best for your future. Thank you.
I would now request Deepali to come down and Sandesh Khedekar and felicitate Anita George.
Wow, what was that? Anita specially flew down from Cochin yesterday night and she's come today morning first.
Ma'am, a few words.
Naturally, I cannot talk physiology here. You all remember what I taught? Only thing my students remember is action potential. Isn't it? Only action potential. And what was action potential? He wanted a joke, so I'm telling this. What is action potential? The stroke goes up and the stroke comes down. Isn't it? It follows Newton's fourth law. Fourth, na? Mere physics both come. So I wish you all a very happy reunion, and I'm very grateful that you all have invited me here for this. And this is my second batch. You all are my second batch, and I went through a lot of it. As some girls were saying, I had got pregnant during this time. Now I have a beautiful daughter who's 25 years old. Tum loga blessings. Thank you. You all are clapping, saying, "Ma'am, you don't look so old," isn't it? That makes me very happy. And I hope you all have a very fine get-together and have many more. Thank you.
I would request Ade to, you'll like to continue with us? Okay. Escort them with love, affection. Bouquet, where's the bouquet? Dr. Gangne sir. Thank you. Thanks Gangne sir. Thanks Makwana. Thanks Anita George ma'am for coming and making us.
Once more. Chakaraka, chakaraka. Makaraka, makaraka.
I would like to thank Ghia, lovely audiovisual presentation. Whatever you're seeing on screen, or you would be seeing for next 1 hour, all credit goes to Sandeep Ghia. He's really taken a lot of efforts to create this audiovisual. We'll be starting for hello. Before that, I would like to unveil the program, what we are doing, after this. A lot of suspense is there. Finally, okay. After the audiovisual, we'll give you 15 minutes time to roam about in the campus. But the deadline is that by around 11:45, you all assemble at Boys Common Room. There is a double-decker open Mumbai Darshan bus. Like the IPL team goes, we'll go to Gateway of India. We have already booked the catamaran there. The whole catamaran is ours. Okay? It's full with balloon. So you can enjoy. One catamaran is enough.
One.
Yeah.
Only for us. Only for us.
We'll reach Mandwa. We'll reach Mandwa. We have got 2 beautiful females with coconut water waiting for us there. From there, we have got 4 AC coaches bus. It takes hardly 25 minutes from Mandwa to reach to Alibag. I request you all not to check in there. Your luggage would be taken care by concierge. You directly proceed for the lunch. Lunch is at Alibag. Okay, right, sir. You'll be given 2 hours time, but 4 o'clock we are by the pool. There's a high tea by the pool. Whoever wants to swim, enjoy, they can come down. 5:30, I request you all to come at a Greens lawn. There's a lawn called by the name Greens. And out there, we are having GMC 1990 award night. That is bigger than the IFA and the Filmfare Awards. So don't miss the excitement. I think the first act itself is a climax of the whole show. So please see to it that you are there at 5:30. We have got a license only till 10 o'clock because that's an outdoor program. Then at 10 o'clock, we move to an indoor hall where we have a DJ till 2 o'clock. And then I don't think anybody will sleep. We have, in a Radisson also, there's a new section. The whole one building is there. We have taken the whole building with us, all the rooms. It has got a central atrium. You can come down, sit. It's a AC atrium. Enjoy. You can call, tu idhar aaja, tu idhar aaja. Everybody you can talk.
It's typical hostel feel.
It's a hostel feel, okay? Only difference is that girls and boys both are staying, Then next day morning, we meet for breakfast. We have a group photograph again. We have already given you T-shirts and cap. I request you all to come in that T-shirt and cap. We'll have a photograph. And then we'll enjoy for 2-3 hours. And then we'll disperse at 12:30. Again back by bus to Mandwa. And from Mandwa, again catamaran back to Gateway of India. Okay? That's how it is. So now I hand over the mic to Rupa. Yeah, any problem? When do we get?
Tomorrow, we leave Radisson by about 12 latest. So 12, another 20 minutes to Mandwa Jetty, and then about 1 hour. So we should be here touching Gateway of India tomorrow latest by 2. If you all are on time. If you all manage to get up, finish your hangovers tomorrow morning. And
one request, GMC award night, don't miss, because we have got outstanding performance from the best talents in the batch. Okay? So please don't miss that. Okay?
Okay, there's a list outside displaying your room at Radisson with your room partner. Kindly have a look at that and don't miss the bus. Tell your room partner to look out for you when we are boarding here at BCR so that we don't miss anybody. Okay, we start with the yeah, Sabu. Okay, we start with the audio visual. From old to new, we've
Can we get the lights off?
we've tried to do our best. If anybody's pictures are missing, please bear with us. It's not intentional. Can we have the video rolling? The audio-visual morphing done by none other than Sandeep Ghia. We begin with Ashish.
The names are in alphabetical orders.
Please, once your pick comes, just stand. Yeah.
Whoever's name come, please stand,
Abhay
okay?
Upe.
Abhay Upe. Upe, where are you? Stand. Stand, stand.
Please stand in your places. Yeah. Ajay Agarwal.
Anand Patil. Anand.
Anita Mane.
Anita, please
Please
stand.
stand.
Anuprita Padvi.
Aarti Mahajan.
Arti Mahajan.
Yes. Aarti has metamorphosed into a bomb now.
Archana. Please stand. Armana.
Munira, Munira.
Munira. Ashwini. Asmita.
Atul Nalawade.
Avinash Kataram.
He has been a backbone for the reunion.
Balaji.
Rajni bhai.
Bala.
Bala.
Bashir. Bhagyashree.
Bharti. Where are you, Bharti? Stand.
Bharti.
Yeah.
Chetan!
Tamma.
Chetan alias Tamma.
Datta. Deepa. Devashri.
Dipali
Deepali.
Deshle. Dipali. Stand,
Stand, please.
Dipali.
Faisal bhai. Gaju.
Ganesh.
Ganesh has not come.
He
He's not
couldn't
able to
make it today.
But his contribution has come.